What's going on, guys? This is Jake from SeeDevil Lighting and Power. We are here at InfoComm 2026 showing off our special event series line. Over here we have our first unit in our series. This is going to be our 100-watt RGB. It's going to come on a 6.5-foot tripod. It'll come with a skirt and tripod and fixture carry bags for both. If you're looking for something a little bit bigger, a little bit more industrial, we do have our 400-watt RGB here. That's going to come on a 12-foot chain-driven tripod. Same thing, it'll come with tripod and fixture carry bags, tripod skirt. We do offer the ability to upgrade this 1.2 meter kit, and you can go up to a 1.6 or a 2.0 meter for a little bit larger diffuser. After that, we're going to hop over to our Fusion event series line here. We do have our 20-inch fixture here with more than 5 shapes straight out of the box. You can buy them on SeeDevil.com. If you want something larger than a 20-inch, we do offer a 31-inch fixture here. We do have tapered arches, spikes, multiple options of diffusers, and we are teasing a little bit back there of our prototype back wall. Feel free to check out all of our wide range of special event series line on SeeDevil.com.